Hi and welcome. I'm here today with Realme 8 Pro and I'll be showing you how to customize your notifications bar. First we have to go to the Google Play Store and look for an application called OneShade. Okay, install the first application that pops up. Wait for it to install. Open it. Welcome to OneShade. Okay, now you have to give the application following permissions: dual SIM, allow, accessibility, OneShade, OK, notifications, OneShade, allow notification access, and allow. Yes, I agree, don't show again. Now we can start customizing our notifications bar. For example, let's try changing the color. For this we have to go to colors. And for example, let's choose background color, dark green, and let's change the text color to bright red. Apply. And now if you open our notifications bar, as you can see, it looks kind of ugly, but it's for demonstration purposes. Our notifications bar appearance has changed a lot. There are many other things you can do, for example, change the layout, pop-ups, edge triggers, and such. But that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.